The question is about eigenvalues. Let us take A first. In A you see for A minus lambda I and its determinant should be 0. So minus lambda 1 minus iota minus 1 minus iota minus iota minus lambda, this should be 0. Now we find the value of this determinant. This will be minus lambda iota plus lambda square plus 1 square minus iota square equals to 0. Lambda square minus lambda iota, this will be 2. 2 equals to 0. Lambda equals to iota plus minus iota square, this will be minus 1 plus 8 over root by 2. You see that this value is not real. So regarding A, if an eigenvalue of A is 0, putting 0 we get 2 equals to 0. So the option B is wrong. And here you see A has a non-zero real eigenvalue, but here you see this number is not real, so D is also wrong. So we have to go for B. In B you see that this is transpose of A into conjugate of A. So let us find this. B equals to, transpose means we have to change the corresponding rows into columns. This will be 0 1 minus iota minus 1 minus iota and iota, and conjugate of A, conjugate of this will be 0 1 plus iota, here minus 1 plus iota minus iota. Let us find the value of this determinant. Value of this will be 2, here will be 2, and multiplication of this with this will give us iota plus iota square, and this thing with this column will give us minus I plus I square, iota square, and at last this row into this column, this will be 1 minus iota square minus iota square, and finally we get this to be 2 minus 1 plus iota, here will be minus 1 minus iota, and this will be 1 1 3 3 3, and we find the value of eigenvalues of this matrix B. For this we do B minus lambda iota lambda I, the identity matrix determinant should be 0. So this, using putting the value of this matrix here, we get 2 minus lambda, 3 minus lambda plus iota square minus 1 equals to 0, or lambda square minus 5 lambda plus 6, and here minus 2 plus 4 equals to 0. From here we get lambda equals to 5 plus minus 25 minus 16 over root by 2. You see that this value is real, so eigenvalues for B are real. So here in C you see that all eigenvalues of B are real. So C is our right option.